Hello everyone, my name is Scott or Not, and welcome back to Resident Evil 2, the remake. This is part 3. Let's see here, we just got our first medallion and put it into this statue over here. So now we have to find out where the rest of those medallions are. And my dying friend is still sitting here. So, let's find out where we gotta go next. Because I'm not entirely sure. Welcome, Leon. I didn't notice that before. They're trying to throw me a welcome party. Well, where's the cake, man? I want my cake if they got a welcome party for me. Shoot. I hear wind over here. Probably from that shutter there. Okay. Not sure if there's anything back here that I might have missed. Let's see, what did I have? Oh yes, I did find this red book last time. Got some blanks with me. There was something to this puzzle here. I'm pretty sure I have to move all 4 of these to make a bridge to get to that door. But this thing is blocking the way, and I think I have to have a handle to jack up this bookcase. So, yeah, let's just look around, I guess. Oh wait, wasn't there a lion statue somewhere near the beginning? It's right here. I could have done this one a long time ago. Yes, this one. It's Mom, my daughter. She was calling this one a toy. So, let's check this out. Where's the notebook? Alright. The lion, so it's a lion face, a leaf, and a bird. Okay. So, lion, a leaf, and bird. Ta-da! Alright, I've got the lion medallion. Alright. Oops. Yeah, that's the one. Alright. Let's put this one into place. Interesting. That leaves the statue of this woman here. Okay. Did we pass by that statue? There was another door over here, but I think it might have been a clover, not a spade. Let's see here. Oh, or maybe it's nothing at all. Okay. I actually don't remember being in this room. I can't believe I never searched this room. Alright, well, hey. Guide, pamphlets. Oops. Welcome to Raccoon City. Did you know, while we are the home of the pharmaceutical giant Umbrella Corporation, Raccoon City has a vibrant and dynamic city with a long, rich history of its own. In this guide, we'll introduce you to just a few of the more unusual points of interest our city has to offer. Raccoon City Police Station. The building in the center of town wasn't always a police station. In fact, it used to be an art museum. Various features like the unusual clock tower and the goddess statue in the main hall remind us of a bygone era. Orphanage. Just a few blocks away from the police station is an orphanage founded and run by the Umbrella Corporation. With the help of generous donations from businesses and citizens alike, the building is known for its stained glass window, which attracts visitors from around the world. Alright. Well, we know that spells trouble. The Umbrella Corporation owned it. Thought it might be useful to keep this key with me for now. What's with the sound? Hang on, I want to pick up these blanks. This looks like something. I think I need a lever of some sort for that. Alrighty, well, there was another door over here, so let's see what's in here. Okay, hey, aha, I know you. I seen you in a picture. What do we have here? Raccoon Magazine. Art article. The Red Stone. The ruby that captivated Edward the Black Prince. The pearl that the Queen of the Nile milked dry. The diamond that led the Queen to the guillotine. There is no end to the number of tales related to the apparel of jewels. This mysterious red stone is simply the latest sparkle among them. Like those other jewels, this one's origin is unknown. It's said that it once adorned a noblewoman's jeweled box and was even dedicated to a wise king. This fall, this stone that's long been shrouded in legend will be on display during auction. There are sure to be many eager enthusiasts there. But, dear reader, one would do well to approach with care, for delivery lies in the beauty's shadow. This jewel has turned caring nobles who love their subjects into despots, more terrible than Caligula. And we have the tales to prove it. Seriously, it's pricey because those jewels are bathed in blood, that their luster stirs something in the hearts of people everywhere. Alright, finally, the weapons locker key. Now I can finally get my shotgun. So, apparently I no longer need this key. Because anything that has a red check mark means it served its purpose. So now we can actually discard this thing, but we'll hold on to it for now, just because. Stitch's left arm. Okay. And I suppose we should. Oh wait, so I have to combine this, huh? Alright. Is that the red jewel that that pamphlet was talking about? Oh. Scepter. Alright. Nice. That pamphlet must have been while this was still in its museum days then. So what's the scepter going to do for me? Oh, I don't know, but I think I need to go get that shotgun, that's for sure. Right. Can I stick the scepter in here? Nope. Sure cannot. Alright. Waiting room, I think. Whoa! Hey, what the heck just happened? Oh, they just crashed. Oh, that was what was going on that dead guy's CB. I lifted up his head. I think it was this helicopter that was coming in. Oh, poor bastard. Well, sucks for you, I guess.
Claire! I'll be right there.
Okay.
She looks too happy to see him. Oh, jeez. He's definitely gone.
Claire. It's so nice to see you.
How are you doing? That helicopter just came out of nowhere.
I'm in one piece.
I'm guessing you don't have a key in one of those fancy pockets?
Unfortunately, no. But how are you doing?
You know, just surviving.
It's good.
Yeah.
Any luck with your brother?
No, not yet.
Claire, don't lose hope. I'm sure we're gonna find him. Damn it. You know what that means?
Yeah. Dinner time.
Claire, I think you should go.
Don't worry about me, Leon. You take care of yourself.
Uh-oh.
Claire, you need to go. Now!
Okay, let's get through this. Both of us.
Yeah, she likes him.
Marvin, I've got a situation here. I'm surrounded by zombies. Marvin, do you copy? Marvin! Damn it.
Might be a zombie by now too. What's this? Alright. Now's a good time to reload. Ah. Cutters. That's what I need. Haha. Can't get me. There we go. Where am I? Oh, yes, that guy. Yeah, oh. Hey, hey, hey.
What the fuck?
My friend, stay down. Blinks. Alright. Chopped half his leg off. Very nice. Okay, right back at the beginning of the game here. I'm pretty sure I have to go this way, but my inventory is getting a little bit full and I really want to get that shotgun. This might be a shortcut. Oh, whatever, let's just go for it. Okay. Alright, let's go. What you got, big man? Yes. Oh, man.
Damn it.
Stay down, my friend. Oh. Oh, that's gross. that blood just spurting up like that. That was cool. Hey. Yeah, no. Not happening, my friend. Oh, flash grenade. Equip in the inventory screen. Okay, guaranteed to daze and stun enemies within its effective radius. Okay. Oh. Okay, well, let's equip it then. Wait, what's this saying? Left over. Ah, gotcha. Internal memo. September 22nd, 1998. Office supply internal relocation notice. Heat resistant 3-number combination safe. Moved from Star's office floor 2 to West office floor 1. Combo is left 9, right 15, left 7. Please change the combo ASAP upon receipt. RPD, Facility Maintenance Department. Ah, I think that's the one on the first floor. Okay. I don't have to really worry about anything. I need that battery for something. I just don't know what yet. Okay, I need to get to another locker room. Or, I mean, lockbox. Where am I going? I want to proceed, but I kind of don't because I don't know when I'll see another thing. What's linen room? What's up with this? I need the diamond key. Okay. And oh, okay. Well, I'm right next to the beginning then. Nice. Go right back to that battery then. Okay. Friend, how are you doing? Doing alright? Alright, good. Good. Glad to see it. Glad to hear it. Okay, finally, now I can get rid of some inventory space. Let's see here, what do I want to get rid of? You know what, let's put that away for now. And my health is good. Should be fine for now. Okay, we'll go with that. We'll do a save. Alright, so moving on. Let's go back upstairs. Let's go grab that battery. Battery, 9-volt battery. Great. I don't know what we're gonna do with this 9-volt battery, but you know, we'll figure it out. Seems like I needed those bolt cutters or something else. Just, it was over here, I think. Hey. Back off. Back off, my friend. Back freaking off. Alright. That's right. Okay. Nope. Yes. Oh, yes. Need my knife back, my friend. Oh, I think I blew her off. Thanks for the knife back. I didn't think you were done yet. Alright. Don't have any more boards. Well, I think I'm going in the right direction. Hey! Where did you come from? Oh, gross. I got him right now. Oh, yeah. That's appetizing. Hey! Okay. At least they can't come get me. Goodness. Yes. those are done now. Electronic gadget. Locker room cap. Okay. Do I need the 9-volt battery for this thing? Aha. Detonator. For the C4. Aha. Wonderful. Oh, hey. Take that. We used these things like yesterday. Part locked. Okay. Anything else? Yes. Something else. Okay. Okay. That's what I want to be. Is it not back here? Where was it again? I'm looking for the save spot. Yes, back here. Unload some inventory. That away, that away. Find that. Gonna make me manually load this. Okay. Gives me 3 open spots. I'm fine. So I'll just store the green herb. And we'll save. Wonderful. Alright, off to a beautiful start. I think we need to go to the top floor. Everything's coming together now. Alright. I remember there being a liquor here before. I don't know if I recognize. Was it out there before? It probably was. Oh, I don't have any more handgun ammo with me. It's alright. Alright. Well, let's place the C4. 10 seconds. I think I'm ready to go. Should be good. Holy crap. Okay. Awesome. You. Oh no. What's out there? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, something's out to get me. I need that notebook. Girl's head, bow and arrow, snake. Hidden medallion. Alright. Ah, okay. Well. Activate the goddess statue. Now, there's something in this room in here with me. I don't know what it is, or where it is, but I know it's here. This is not good. This is not. No. reload, Leon. Oh, no, you don't run away. Shh. Okay, that was close. Oh, man. I blew that thing. Holy cow. That sounds like a raping zombie. He could be laughing.
What the?
Oh, he's going. That was awesome. That was satisfying. Hey. Come on, Leon, use those muscles. Right. I don't think I actually got hurt. I think I'm doing okay. That's awesome. So, let's go back to our friend. Alright. Well, you just take it easy there, buddy. So. Okay. Let's take it. Red and a green. Let's combine these two together. It acts just as like having a health spray. Alright. Just because I know Resident Evil games. Medallion. Use. Okay. Find a way out. Okay, getting somewhere. Although, where was that safe that we found once before? I think it was in here, right? I think it was in this room. Oh, what was the combination again? Let's see here. Okay, left 9, right 15, left 7. So 9, 15, 7. Okay, so 9, 15, 7. Oh yes, another hip pouch. Oh yeah, that's what we need, definitely. Okay, well, I'm glad we came back here. Okay, as far as I know, that's other than the scepter. Where does the scepter go? I'm not sure. Let's save it once again, because I have a feeling I'm going to get my butt handed to me here.
So it goes underground. Huh. That's it. That's our way out.
Lieutenant Branna! Marvin!
It's time to go. Hey, Marvin.
Uh-oh.
We need to get you to a hospital right now.
No, save yourself.
Come on, I've got you.
Go!
Look, we can still make it out of here together. Just give me...
It's too late. I tried, Leon. But I couldn't stop it. We can't let this thing spread. It's on you now. Just go.
I understand. to let you down, Marvin.
Alright. Well, this must be a model of the orphanage, maybe. I didn't miss anything with this in my hand. Hoping I can get back to the police station later because I need that other spare button. That's probably what this is used for, this sector, but I had no idea where to put it. There must have been a note somewhere that I have. We'll figure it out next time, I guess. Well, everyone, I think this is a good stopping point for now. So if you're enjoying the video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you want to continue this and see it through with me to the end, then click that subscribe button, click that bell, and we'll see you guys later.